Each department at Fleming College is a world of its own, equipped with cutting-edge technology and expert faculty. Whether you're passionate about business, tech, health, or the environment, there's a course designed to fuel your curiosity and help you thrive in your chosen field. Life at Fleming College isn't all about academics. There's a vibrant student community that's buzzing with clubs, events, and recreational activities. Whether you're into sports, arts, or volunteering, there's something for everyone. Situated in the heart of Peterborough, Fleming College is part of a lively community filled with cultural attractions, scenic beauty, and incredible local businesses. The college also boasts strong ties with local organizations, providing students with unique opportunities to gain practical experience and contribute to the community. We've had the opportunity to chat with some of the faculty, staff, and alumni who are part of the Fleming College community. Their insights into the college's culture, values, and commitment to excellence have been truly enlightening. We've had an incredible journey exploring Fleming College today. From its stunning campus and diverse academic offerings to the vibrant student life and supportive community, it's clear why Fleming College is a top choice for students from all over the world. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Remember, if you want to dive deeper into what Fleming College has to offer, don't hesitate to visit their official website. And that's a wrap, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Until next time,